What's the meaning of capacitor? Capacitor. Capacitor.
Capacitor. Capacitor. A capacitor is an electronic component that stores electrical energy in an electric field. It consists of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. When a voltage is applied to the capacitor, one plate becomes positively charged and the other plate becomes negatively charged. This creates an electric field between the plates that stores energy. Capacitors are used in a wide range of electronic circuits, including power supplies, filters, signal conditioning, and timing circuits. They can also be used to store energy in hybrid and electric vehicles, as well as in renewable energy systems.